Hey, man.
Watch out!
WOODPECKER.
It's a woodpecker from space! I didn't know the reason why. Felt dark outside, but yet a light. I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. This time I was okay. I heard a funny cry once more. Funny-looking bird, and he stood right before my eyes. With his waist, you kinda laser gun, he was only passing by.